Want to start streaming on YouTube like a pro? Let's make it super easy. Welcome to Passionate About Tech. I'm here to show you how to stream to YouTube with OBS Studio in 2025. OBS is a free, powerful tool for live streaming, and I'll walk you through every step from setup to going live so you can share your gaming, tutorials, or chats with the world. Let's dive in and get streaming. Step 1. Install and connect OBS to YouTube. First, let's get OBS Studio set up and connected to YouTube. If you don't have OBS installed, don't worry, I've got you covered. Go to obsproject.com, download the latest version for your computer, Windows, Mac, or Linux and install it. I'll also link the download in the description below for easy access. Once installed, open OBS Studio. You'll see a clean interface with sections for scenes, sources, and controls. On the right side, click Settings. In the Settings window, look at the left sidebar and click Stream. Under Service, click the drop-down and select YouTube RTMPS. You'll see two options, Connect Account or Use Stream Key. I recommend Connect Account. It is easier and lets you manage everything in OBS. Click Connect Account and a browser window will pop up. Sign in with your YouTube account, then click Continue to give OBS access. You'll see a message saying Authorization Successful. Close that tab and return to OBS. Back in OBS, you'll see your account is now connected. Make sure the box for Ignore Streaming Service Settings Recommendations is unchecked, then click OK. That's it, OBS is now linked to YouTube, and we're ready for the next step. If you're finding this helpful, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Passionate About Tech. I'm aiming for 1,000 subscribers, and your support means the world. Let's keep going. Step 2. Enable live streaming on YouTube. Before we stream, we need to make sure YouTube is ready. If this is your first time streaming on YouTube, you'll need to enable live streaming, and it takes 24 hours to get approved. Don't worry, it's a one-time process, and you don't need a certain number of subscribers. Open your browser, go to youtube.com, and sign into your channel. Click the Create button in the top right corner, then select Go Live, and see the live streaming dashboard instead. Either way, let's head back to OBS to set up our stream. If you're waiting for approval, pause here and come back in 24 hours. I'll be right here for you. Step 3. Create and customize your broadcast in OBS. Now that OBS is connected, let's create a broadcast. In OBS, on the right side, you'll see a section called YouTube Chat. This lets you monitor your chat directly in OBS once you're live. Pretty cool, right? Drag that panel to the left side of your screen for easy access. Click and drag until it snaps into place. Now, click Manage Broadcast in the same area. A window will pop up. Click Create a new broadcast. Here, you can customize your stream. First, give it a title that grabs attention, like My First Tech Stream, Join Me Live. In the description, add details about your stream, maybe links to your social media or a short bio. For example, type, Follow me on Twitter @TechFan for more tips. Next, set the privacy to public. This is super important. If it's on private or unlisted, no one will see your stream. Choose a category like education for tutorials or gaming if you're playing games. Check the box for This is not for kids if your content isn't child-focused. Finally, upload a custom thumbnail. Click Upload and pick an eye-catching image from your computer. For latency, leave it on normal for the best quality. Once everything looks good, click Create Broadcast. OBS will say, Creating a new live broadcast, please wait. When it's done, your chat panel on the left will activate, showing you're ready to go live, but we're not live yet. Step 4. Optimize OBS settings for streaming. Before we go live, let's make sure your stream looks smooth and professional by tweaking OBS settings. Back in OBS, click Settings again on the right. First, go to the Video tab on the left. Set your canvas resolution to 1920 by 1080. That's perfect for most viewers, especially on mobile. Set the FPS to 60 for smooth motion, but if your computer or internet struggles, lower it to 30. Now, go to the Output tab. Change the output mode to Advanced from the drop-down. For the encoder, choose based on your setup. If you're on Windows, select your graphics card like NVIDIA NVENCORE, use X264 if you don't have a dedicated GPU. On a Mac, pick the hardware encoder. Under Rate Control, select CBR Constant Bitrate. The bitrate is key for stream quality, and it depends on your internet speed. Set the keyframe interval to 2 seconds. Click OK. Check the link in the description for YouTube's full recommendations. Step 5. Start streaming and verify on YouTube. We're ready to go live. In OBS, at the bottom right, click Start Streaming. You'll see a confirmation that you're now live. Let's verify on YouTube. Open youtube.com, click your profile picture, and select YouTube Studio. You'll see your stream is live, with your title and description all set. It should say excellent condition, meaning everything is working perfectly. You can monitor your chat here or back in OBS using the chat panel we set up earlier. To make your stream look even more professional, consider adding overlays like a border around your screen or alerts for new viewers. I recommend checking out Streamlabs.com for free overlay packs. I'll link a beginner-friendly pack in the description. Now you're live, chatting with your audience, and ready to shine. There you have Itho to stream to YouTube with OBS in 2025. We've covered installing OBS, connecting to YouTube, enabling live streaming, creating a broadcast, optimizing settings, and going live like a pro. You're now ready to share your passions with the world. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. Drop a comment. What will you stream first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tech tips to fuel your creativity. Keep streaming and have fun.